What's up, guys? Jesse here from Chainsaw Estates. Pretty pumped to share with you the new intro to the YouTube show. I don't have a new episode to tie it to yet, but I was too excited to share it, so I figured I'd give you a little behind-the-scenes time lapse of us building it. It all started with an actual piece of garbage. You may recognize the house from half of the Overlook Hotel from the Shining board game TV commercial. We actually got that in the garbage at a thrift store, so it was totally free. About 80% of this is all handmade by myself and Florence.
Hello.
And really hope you guys dig it and see some inspiration from Tales from the Crypt without question. So if you like it, please comment below. Looking forward to hearing what you guys think.